You guys might be familiar with vitamin B6 and B12, but do you know there are actually 8 type of B vitamins? These B vitamins helps variety of enzymes to perform their jobs, ranging from breakdown of carbohydrates and fats to breakdown of amino acids, transportation of oxygen and formation of new cells. So on the spotlight today we will be discussing vitamin B9, B6 and B12. Vitamin B9 is also called as folate. It helps in the protein metabolism, prevents the breakdown of homocysteine. Homocysteine is an amino acid which is harmful for our body, and it helps in the production of RBCs and fetal development. This is a major supplement during pregnancy as it helps in the growth of child, helps in the fetal development. Lastly, it prevents megaplastic anemia. Megaplastic anemia is a condition where there is less production of RBC inside our body and which can cause weakness, fatigue and hair loss. So best sources of vitamin B9 is green leafy vegetables, fresh fruits, whole grains, seafood and chickpeas. Next is vitamin B6. Vitamin B6 is also called as pyridoxine. It contains pyridoxal F5 phosphate which helps in the breakdown of carbohydrates, proteins, fats. Secondly, it lower down the chances of cancer, and it also regulates the amount of homocysteine as I have discussed earlier, and prevents from depression and immunity. And best sources of vitamin B6 is chickpeas, green leafy vegetables, eggs, bananas, oranges. Last is vitamin B12. B12 is also called as cobalamin. It helps in the formation of RBCs, development of brain and nerves, and it binds to the protein. Basically, when we intake vitamin B12 in the stomach, there is hydrochloric acid or other enzymes which unbinds vitamin B12 and it transport it to small intestine for proper absorption. Basically, when we grow older, or the people who take more of digestive medications like Lif52 for their GERD or gastro reflux, they stop the production of hydrochloric acid, right? With the stop of production of HCl or other enzymes, this vitamin B12 does not absorb, and older people start facing fatigue, weakness, joint pains, right? So best source of vitamin B12 is dairy products, fish and eggs. So these are the 3 main B vitamins, and we will be discussing more vitamins C, D, E, K. So stay tuned for that and follow me at Fitness by KBB. Like, comment, share for Holistic Nutrition 2022.